What if I told you that one of the most destructive pests on Earth contains more protein than meat? Yes, the grasshopper. For decades, farmers have feared them. Entire crops destroyed in hours. But today, inside a mega UK factory, this destructive insect is being transformed into something completely unexpected: a powerful, high-protein food source. How does a pest become a protein powerhouse? What happens inside this massive production facility? Stay with us until the end to see the full process, and don't forget to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more incredible factory stories like this. Inside this mega UK factory, the process begins with carefully controlled grasshopper farming. Unlike wild swarms that devastate crops, these insects are raised in monitored environments with regulated temperature, humidity, and feeding systems to ensure consistency and quality. Once fully grown, the grasshoppers move through a precise harvesting phase. They are cleaned, sorted, and prepared using automated machinery designed for hygiene and efficiency. Every step follows strict food safety standards. Next comes the transformation stage. The insects are dried using industrial dehydration systems that preserve nutrients while removing moisture. After drying, they are ground into a fine, protein-rich powder. This powder contains significantly higher protein levels per gram than traditional beef. The result, a sustainable, eco-friendly protein source with a fraction of the environmental impact of livestock farming. And this is only part of the story. Wait until you see the final packaging and quality testing process.
The sample matches the reference standard.
Confirmed. Recording the match.
After processing, the grasshopper protein powder undergoes rigorous laboratory testing to ensure purity, safety, and nutritional value. Each batch is carefully examined before being sealed in airtight packaging to preserve freshness. From destructive pest to sustainable superfood, this mega UK factory has completely redefined how we look at grasshoppers. What was once a threat to agriculture is now part of the future of alternative protein. Would you try grasshopper protein? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinion. If you enjoyed discovering how this fascinating process works, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next factory deep dive. More unbelievable production stories are coming soon, and you won't want to miss them.